Hi everyone, Scott Gould, General Manager of Dutchmen RV. I'm here at General RV Center taking a look at the Aspen Trail 3200 with a wraparound porch. Let's go take a look. So this features a nice stainless steel sink with a high-rise faucet. It has tons of countertop space. You have a place to cook over there. There's a huge bank of drawers down the one side. We also have some nice two-tone overhead cabinetry above the sink. As I mentioned, this has a nice back window that overlooks the rear patio. It also features a shade to keep the bugs out, as well as a night shade to provide tons of privacy at night. So another part of this kitchen features this built-in stove, has a large 10 cubic foot refrigerator, as well as a double door pantry to provide tons of storage. So the seating area in this 3200 is great because it has a home theater seat that reclines. You're able to put your feet up. It's directly across from the TV. You notice we have these cup holder end tables, so it still will hold beverage of your choice, as well as it slides to get out of the way. And they literally just pull off and you can store them under the bed and travel. Right next to the home theater seat, there's a large back window that opens up on the one side, as well as a side window that's gonna provide some cross ventilation to give you nice airflow inside the trailer. As I had mentioned, there's a home theater seat over here with the TV directly across. Well, the great thing about this is it's also gonna provide you a full queen size bed. As you'll see, the fireplace is on, which provides good heat. However, if you wanna make the bed out, you just flip up the TV. You'll notice that there's a safety switch so that the fireplace clicks off as soon as it comes down. Then there's feet that just come down. Then you're able to slide the TV back down. So again, should you want to stay up late and watch TV here, kids sleep here, you can still watch the TV right across. So this 3200 Aspen Trail features this large bathroom. You're gonna notice that you have the tankless water heater control right here in the bathroom. Has a medicine cabinet with tons of storage. You'll see that there's 2 drawers, some cabinet doors for more storage in the bathroom. And another great feature is this all-in-one washer dryer combo. So this large bathroom actually has a great feature. It's this 38-inch shower that comes with the 3-piece sliding glass door. So it just makes it nice and clean and gives you a big space to take a shower. So this master suite features a residential 60 by 80 queen bed. It's also going to have a USB outlet as well as a 110 outlet on each side of the bed. And you'll notice we put in these cutaway nightstands, so it's a place to set a bottle of water, glasses, anything you would use at night. You're going to have his and hers dual wardrobe. It's going to have a nice closet rod. You'll see that there's a shelf above where you can set some clothes for storage. Now transitioning to the outside, one of the key things that we created on this is we wanted the porch to wrap around. There's so many models out there that are in the industry where you can only access it from the back. Well, a lot of campsites, you're gonna back into the site and not really have a great utilization of the patio. The L-shaped patio, it makes it so that you can be on the side, access the outdoors, and just enjoy all of the elements of the outdoors. Some really great features on the outside is it has this flip-up bar, so this will fold down in transit, but it flips up so you have a place that you can eat at, have some drinks. So the great thing with this window that you can just reach through, you can get your beverage of choice served right through the window to you. You're gonna notice it has this large grab handle that makes it easy to grab from the first step. It's also gonna feature a nice awning that covers the whole exterior of the patio as well as the main entryway. A great feature with this model is it has electric stabilizer jacks, so it's gonna make it a breeze to set up when you get to your campsite. So to access the master bedroom, it's great that we have this black glass door where it has a built-in nightshade so that you can close off all the sunlight to get a good night's rest. We also have this exterior outside shower that is gonna have hot and cold functionality on it. So some feedback we've got is that customers are gonna want as much storage as possible on the outside. So we put this large pass-through storage, and the great thing is there's magnets to hold the door up, as well as the doors on both sides are the same size. So you don't have to worry about trying to push your stuff through to access it from one side or the other. So to make hooking up to your tow vehicle extremely easy, we included this power tongue jack. Just all electric, it's gonna move up and down and make it so that you don't have to crank anything when you wanna leave your campsite or get there. So one thing you're gonna find on all Aspen Trail models that feature a slide out is they're gonna come standard with a slide topper. The benefit of that is it's gonna keep water, debris all off your slide. So when you run the slide in, you're not gonna get a bunch of water that drips down onto your floor that you have to dry off later. Thanks so much for tuning in today. For more information, go to generalrv.com.